Ever wondered how long it takes for your money to show up in your Robinhood account? We've all been there. You're ready to jump on a hot stock, but your deposit is still pending. It's frustrating, right? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Robinhood deposit times. We'll cover the different factors that can affect how long it takes for your deposit to clear, and we'll give you some tips on how to speed things up. So, if you're tired of waiting around for your money to clear, keep watching. First, let's talk about the different ways you can deposit money into your Robinhood account. Robinhood offers two main ways to deposit money: instant deposits and manual deposits. Instant deposits are exactly what they sound like. Your money is available to trade immediately. However, instant deposits are only available for certain types of accounts and certain types of transfers. For example, if you're using a bank account that's not linked to your Robinhood account, you won't be able to make instant deposits. Manual deposits, on the other hand, can take a few days to clear. This is because Robinhood needs to verify your bank account and make sure that the funds are available. So, how long does it take for a manual deposit to clear? In most cases, manual deposits will clear within 1 to 3 business days. However, there are a few factors that can affect how long it takes for your deposit to clear. One factor is the size of your deposit. Larger deposits may take longer to clear than smaller deposits. This is because Robinhood needs to verify that the funds are available in your bank account. Another factor is the type of bank account you're using. Some banks may take longer to process deposits than others. Finally, the day of the week can also affect how long it takes for your deposit to clear. If you make a deposit on a Friday, it may not clear until Monday or Tuesday. So, what can you do to speed up your Robinhood deposits? Here are a few tips. Use a bank account that's linked to your Robinhood account. This will allow you to make instant deposits. Make smaller deposits. Smaller deposits are more likely to clear quickly. Make deposits on weekdays. Deposits made on weekdays are more likely to clear quickly. Now, let's talk about some of the most common questions people have about Robinhood deposit times. One question we hear a lot is, why is my deposit still pending? There are a few reasons why your deposit might still be pending. One reason is that Robinhood is still verifying your bank account. Another reason is that the funds may not be available in your bank account. If your deposit is still pending after 3 business days, you should contact Robinhood customer support. Another question we hear a lot is, can I trade with pending funds? The answer is no. You cannot trade with pending funds. You must wait for your deposit to clear before you can start trading. Finally, let's talk about Robinhood's instant deposit feature. Robinhood offers instant deposits for certain types of accounts and certain types of transfers. If you're eligible for instant deposits, your money will be available to trade immediately. However, there are a few things to keep in mind about instant deposits. First, instant deposits are not available for all types of accounts. For example, instant deposits are not available for cash accounts. Second, instant deposits are not available for all types of transfers. For example, instant deposits are not available for wire transfers. Finally, Robinhood may limit the amount of money you can deposit instantly. If you have any questions about instant deposits, you should contact Robinhood customer support. We hope this video has answered all of your questions about Robinhood deposit times. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.